coming up. The date is October 19th. It's going to be at Minebrook. It's going to start at 7, and it's going to be awesome. Every year, this is the 5th one, right? Yeah, the 5th one. Every year we get together as a group and we just celebrate all of the members. It's a lot of fun. We do like awards and stuff and just some highlights from the year. It's always a good time.
It's good time to mingle and meet people outside of your class time, and also meet the people at the other gyms, which is always fun. A lot of people do know each other from other gyms, so it's always a good time to kind of get together and just celebrate the year and everyone's accomplishments and just kind of refresh or rejuvenate for the next year coming.
Rejuvenate. It's just fun because everyone gets dressed up, and well, some people do, some people don't, and it's totally fine. But a lot of the ladies like to use it as their time to look like a normal human.
It's like the adult version of prom.
Yeah. Because when we're in the gym, like everyone, I mean, there's not much variance going on here because I work here and then work out here. But like when we see people out like in the real world at like stores and stuff, and some people like, well, you never see them in jeans or like a normal shirt. And then, so it's fun for people to kind of like, you know, dress up and dress nice for once, and you're not going to be in yoga pants and old t-shirts, so it's a good time.
It's a night out without the kids and just some adult time.
You should ask Zach how he enjoyed last year.
Snap a day.
Oh, that was funny. You should probably ask Michelle how it was last year, not Zach.
Yeah. So for new members that have just joined in the last year or so, like Christine said, it's a time for us to kind of come together, and we do awards. So there's awards like Sir Sweats a Lot, like the person that sweats the most. There's awards like
what's the lot?
Yeah, person that's always asking questions, and what else? Oh, Silent Assassin. That's always a good one. It's a person that comes in and doesn't boast about their PRs, or they're just kind of like
goes to work.
Yeah, just kind of in and out. Not that they're not friendly or social, but it's fun to choose those ones. So some of the awards are member chosen. We send out a survey, and then some of the awards are the coaches awards. So we do the Odin Award, which is like just overall, athlete that encompasses all of our core values. So that one's always a good one. But yeah, for the people that, like I said, I've just kind of joined recently, it's good to kind of get out there, meet new people, mingle, and just kind of see what it's all about. It's a good time, it's fun.
Have a couple of drinks, loosen up, talk about something other than CrossFit for once, or just talk about CrossFit.
So this year we're going to be separating, I think, for awards, so it's not going to be trying to scream over each other like it was last year. We'll kind of separate, 3 separate times, so like a half hour for one gym, a half hour for the other, in that back room while the other 2 gyms are just kind of hanging out. They've hired a new chef, so the food is really good.
It is. Tried it.
And it'll be fun. I'm excited for it. It's taken some time to figure out our location. We tried to find a place that will hold all of us, because last year was a little crammed, but we're putting ways in to make it work this year. Definitely learned from last year to make it better this year.
Have more bartenders.
Yeah, more bartenders, and so it has taken some time, but we are excited for it. So yeah, every year, it's a red carpet event. We bring out the red carpet, we have a backdrop. It's seriously like if you were watching the Oscars on TV, it's kind of the same thing.
It's pretty much exactly the same thing.
But there's a photographer, Johnny.
Do the thingy. yeah, so it's an awesome event. We're really excited for it, and we hope to see everyone there.